What if I told you that you could glow up, like seriously, in just 7 days? Without buying a single thing. No skincare hauls. No weird beauty tools. Just real results. Using stuff you already have at home. I know it sounds like clickbait, but I swear, this changed the game for me. And if you stick around till the end, I promise, people will literally start asking what you've done. Grab your water bottle, your comfiest PJs, and maybe a cute notebook, because I'm spilling all my $0 glow up hacks. Head to toe. Let's do this. Day 1. Lip glow up. No more dry, crusty lips. Okay, first things first. Dry lips? We don't do that here. I used to ignore my lips and wonder why my face still looked meh. Turns out, juicy, healthy lips change your whole vibe. Here's what I did. I made this cute little scrub with sugar and olive oil. Just mix and gently rub it on for like 30 seconds. Sometimes I use a soft toothbrush to exfoliate, and OMG, it makes them so smooth. Then I either dab on coconut oil or Vaseline to seal in the moisture. Bonus tip, beetroot juice. I literally grate it, dab the juice on my lips, and boom, natural pink tint. And I stop licking my lips 24/7. Hydration starts inside, babes. So water first, then balm. Day 2, brows and lashes. Frame that face. Baby brows and lashes. Whew. These two, total face changers. I started brushing my brows every morning, just with a spoolie and a tiny bit of Vaseline. They look so clean and lifted now. At night, I massage castor oil into them. You can even mix in a little aloe vera. And girl, for lashes, green tea is magic. I dip a cotton bud in cooled green tea and swipe it on my lash line. Sometimes I even mix castor oil plus aloe vera plus a drop of vitamin E for a DIY lash serum. It's giving natural falsies, and I'm here for it. Day 3. Nose glow up. No surgery, just yoga. Okay, don't laugh. But nose yoga kinda works. I started doing this little 3-step nose exercise where you press your tongue up, lift the tip of your nose with your finger, and just hold. It sounds weird, but after a week, my side profile looked tighter, and massaging the sides with coconut oil in little circles helps drain puffiness. If my nose looks swollen after, I just rub an ice cube over it for like a minute. So soothing. Day 4. Hair glow up. From dry to dreamy, my hair used to be so frizzy, like broomstick vibes. Now, it's soft, shiny, and smells like a tropical vacation. I started doing scalp massages while watching Netflix. Just fingers, not nails, in circles for 5 minutes. When I have time, I warm up some coconut oil and massage it in. Chef's kiss. And rice water? I swear by it. Just soak rice, let the water ferment overnight, and rinse your hair with it after shampoo. Ancient beauty secret. Major results. Also, switch your pillowcase. Satin or silk. Trust me, it helps. Day 5. Nail glow up. Natural, pretty, and strong. I used to hide my nails because they were always yellowish and flaky, but now, lemon and garlic are my besties. Rub a lemon slice on your nails. It brightens like magic. Then I mix crushed garlic with coconut oil and massage it in. Sounds weird, but it strengthens them so much. Oh, and I keep a mini nail brush in my bathroom now. Makes a big difference. Day 6. Skin glow up. The real deal, okay, babes. This is where it gets fun. My go-to face mask? Turmeric, honey, and milk. I use it every night. It brightens, fades scars, and just makes my skin feel clean. Got a pimple? Dab a little white toothpaste overnight. Old school, but works. And icing my face every morning? Instant lift and glow. Plus, it shrinks pores. Like, why didn't anyone tell me this sooner? Day 7. Posture glow up. Hello, confidence. Okay, real talk. Good posture equals instant glow. I started doing this wall stretch where you press your back flat and slide your arms up and down in a W2Y shape. 10 reps, easy. Then I stretch my neck like I'm searching for lost AirPods. Left, right, forward, back. Cat-cow stretches in the morning. Shoulder rolls before bed. And every time I sip water, I fix my posture. Simple habits, but they make me feel so confident. And that's it, bestie. 7 days. No shopping. No fancy products. Just consistency, love, and a little kitchen magic. I still can't believe how much changed. My skin, my hair, even how I carry myself. So if you try any of these, let me know which one's your fave in the comments. And hey, don't forget to subscribe if you want more glow up secrets from your favorite internet sis. See you in the next one.